Very brief overview of the Numatic PPR170-11. Now this is a machine that's been around for about 3 years, but not available in the UK. I asked Numatic in early July this year whether it was available in the UK and they said no. However, this machine cropped up online for around £140 and was made around the first week of September. So looking at the box, it says red, but it isn't. It's actually fully black motor housing and drum. It comes with an AS0 kit, which is the usual stainless steel. It's PPR170. It's got a fully black drum unit, mains lights, and this, like the other PPR machines, has a plugged cable. So you can undo it and replace it without having to take the motor housing to pieces. Cable comes in at 12.5 metres. Seems to go on forever. And we're still going. Go. It's quite a lot of cable. This mechanism is a lot more smoother to wind the cable in, which is what's better about these machines. Now this, unlike other machines, is a 170 drum, which is a 7.2 litre capacity. As you can see, there's little cutouts for the wheels, and we've got 4 spots for tool docking. The overall diameter of the actual motor housing is the same as a standard Henry 160. However, if we look inside, there is something interesting on this that I find intriguing. Inside the drum we have a Henry Allergy type Tritex filter, whereas this machine appears to have been built around the HEPA 13 filtered machines like the Henry Allergy, because it has this on it. But inside there is no HEPA 13 cartridge and no option to put one in. I'm just putting that up. As you can see, it's just all like plastic. They do a 170 PPR170 HEPA, but isn't available in the UK. There is a EPR170 with a 420 watt motor with the ReFlo drum like this that's supposed to be coming soon though. Just a note for those who like the unboxing, in the box came the stainless steel tubing, a hose, a spare bag, the usual floor tool, and the accessories, which I haven't opened yet. These appear to be in a brown bag, which is a bit different. They seem to be the same sort, so maybe they've just dropped the plastic bag for a paper one. Just do a quick overview of the sound it makes. It's pretty much the same as any other Numatic machine. Now, I've got another machine here which I'll just give you a brief overview of, which I've had for about since 2022, which is pretty much my go-to machine, and that is an NVR170 HEPA. Now, originally I wanted this machine, but it wasn't available in the UK, and instead I had this one, which has got the HEPA filtration built into it. And comes with a red drum. Unfortunately, this one you can't get with a red drum in the UK, which is a bit annoying, but I could always go and buy one, I suppose. This machine is based on a Henry Allergy. Just see there. NVR170-11, and it says HVA160-11. So it's based on the Henry allergy. Inside you'll find the allergy style Tritex filter, and underneath the motor you'll find the usual H13 cartridge, if I can open it. And there it is. I'll put a link in the description, but if you do want one of these PPR170 machines, just do a search for PPR170-11, and there's at least 3 retailers online that have got them. They're a lot more compact than the PPR240 machines, and that cable thing is a lot smoother. Any questions, please pop them in the comments.